When it comes to losing fat and improving overall health, what you drink plays just as much of a role as what you eat. Many people focus only on diet and exercise, but the truth is that liquid calories, sugary beverages, and poor hydration choices can either stall your weight loss progress or accelerate it dramatically. If you are serious about burning fat, feeling energized, and supporting your body's metabolism, you need to know about the best drinks that naturally boost fat burning. In this video, we are going to talk about the top 7 drinks that have been scientifically linked to fat loss, and by the end you'll not only know what they are but also how and when to use them for maximum results. Each of these drinks is backed by research, proven benefits, and practical tips you can start applying right away. If you are ready to transform your body and take your fat loss to the next level, let's dive into the 7 best drinks for fat burning. The first drink on our list is water, the simplest yet most powerful fat loss drink of all. It might sound basic, but hydration is the foundation of your metabolism, digestion, and fat burning. Drinking enough water not only helps suppress appetite but also increases your body's calorie burning process known as thermogenesis. Studies show that drinking about half a liter of water can temporarily increase metabolism by up to 30% for an hour. That means your body burns more calories just by staying hydrated. Water also helps reduce bloating, flushes out toxins, and keeps your energy level stable, which is critical when you're in a calorie deficit trying to lose fat. The best way to use water for fat loss is to drink a glass before meals, which can naturally make you eat less and feel fuller. Drinking cold water can also give your metabolism a small boost since your body has to work harder to warm it up. If you find plain water boring, you can add slices of lemon, cucumber, or mint for natural flavor without calories. Remember, dehydration is often mistaken for hunger, so staying hydrated will help you avoid unnecessary snacking. The second drink that supports fat loss is green tea, a natural fat-burning powerhouse. Green tea is packed with antioxidants called catechins, the most important of which is EGCG, short for epigallocatechin gallate. This compound has been shown to boost metabolism and increase fat oxidation, especially during exercise. Combined with caffeine, which is naturally present in green tea, EGCG helps your body burn fat more effectively. Research suggests that drinking 2 to 3 cups of green tea daily can enhance calorie burning and promote the breakdown of stubborn belly fat. What makes green tea special compared to coffee or other caffeinated drinks is the balance it provides between energy and calmness. Thanks to an amino acid called L-theanine, green tea promotes mental focus without the jitters or crashes you might get from other caffeinated drinks. If you want to maximize fat-burning benefits, drink green tea before workouts to enhance performance and fat oxidation. You can enjoy it hot or iced, just avoid adding sugar. If the taste is too bitter, add a squeeze of lemon, which also helps improve antioxidant absorption. Next on the list is black coffee, a favorite for millions of people worldwide and one of the most effective drinks for fat burning when used correctly. Coffee contains caffeine, which is a natural stimulant that increases metabolic rate, enhances fat oxidation, and boosts exercise performance. Studies show that caffeine can increase fat burning by 10% in lean individuals and up to 29% in those who are overweight. Drinking black coffee before a workout can give you more energy, help you train harder, and maximize fat burning. The key here is to drink coffee without added sugar, cream, or syrups, because those extras quickly turn a fat-burning beverage into a fat-storing one. Black coffee is nearly calorie-free, but adding sugary creamers can add hundreds of unnecessary calories. A simple, strong cup of black coffee in the morning or pre-workout is one of the cheapest, most effective fat loss drinks available. Just don't overdo it. Stick to about 2 to 3 cups per day, and avoid drinking it late in the evening if you're sensitive to caffeine because poor sleep can interfere with fat loss. Another powerful drink for fat loss is apple cider vinegar mixed with water. Apple cider vinegar, or ACV, has been used for centuries for its health benefits, and recent studies confirm its role in weight management. Drinking apple cider vinegar before meals helps regulate blood sugar levels, reduce appetite, and improve feelings of fullness. This means you naturally eat fewer calories throughout the day. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar is believed to help reduce fat storage and increase fat burning. In one study, people who consumed 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar daily lost more weight and belly fat compared to those who didn't. To use ACV for fat loss, dilute 1 tablespoon in a large glass of water and drink it before meals. You can also add a bit of lemon juice or honey for taste, though keep the honey minimal to avoid extra calories. Never drink apple cider vinegar straight, as it's highly acidic and can damage tooth enamel or irritate the throat. When used correctly, it's a safe and effective drink to add to your fat loss routine. Next, we have lemon water, a refreshing and detoxifying drink that supports weight loss in multiple ways. Lemon water is very low in calories but high in vitamin C, an antioxidant that boosts immunity and helps your body burn fat more efficiently. Drinking warm lemon water in the morning kickstarts digestion, hydrates your body after sleep, and can reduce cravings. The pectin fiber in lemons, although small when squeezed into water, may help suppress appetite. Another benefit is that lemon water can help balance pH levels in the body and promote detoxification by supporting liver function, which is essential for fat metabolism. Many people find that drinking lemon water throughout the day reduces their desire for sugary drinks or snacks. It's also a simple replacement for high-calorie sodas and juices. A great tip is to drink a glass of warm lemon water first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, which can help jumpstart your metabolism for the day. The sixth drink for fat loss is protein shakes. While many people think of protein shakes as muscle-building drinks, they are actually one of the most powerful tools for fat loss. Protein is the most satiating macronutrient, meaning it keeps you full for longer compared to carbs or fats. This helps reduce hunger and overall calorie intake. Drinking a protein shake after a workout not only helps your muscles recover, but also keeps cravings under control. Research shows that high-protein diets are strongly linked to increased fat loss, better metabolic health, and reduced belly fat. A simple protein shake made with whey, casein, or plant-based protein powder mixed with water or unsweetened almond milk can be a perfect low-calorie, high-protein drink that supports fat burning. You can even add spinach, berries, or chia seeds for extra nutrition. The key is to keep it clean. Avoid store-bought protein shakes loaded with sugar and stick to simple, natural ingredients. Drinking a protein shake as a meal replacement or snack can prevent overeating and accelerate fat loss. Finally, the seventh fat loss drink is herbal tea, especially varieties like ginger tea, peppermint tea, or oolong tea. Herbal teas are naturally caffeine-free or very low in caffeine, making them a great option for people who are sensitive to stimulants. Ginger tea, for example, has thermogenic properties that boost metabolism and reduce hunger. Peppermint tea is known for its ability to improve digestion and reduce cravings, especially for sweets. Oolong tea, which falls between green and black tea, has been shown to increase fat oxidation and calorie burning. Drinking herbal tea in the evening can be a great replacement for late-night snacking, which is one of the biggest obstacles to fat loss. Since most herbal teas are calorie-free, they hydrate your body while supporting digestion and relaxation, helping you stay on track with your fat loss journey. You can enjoy them hot or iced, plain or with a squeeze of lemon, but avoid adding sugar or honey if you want maximum fat-burning benefits. Now that we've gone through the top 7 drinks for fat loss, let's tie everything together. Water is the foundation. Drink it consistently throughout the day to stay hydrated and avoid unnecessary snacking. Green tea and black coffee are your metabolic boosters, best consumed in the morning or before workouts. Apple cider vinegar and lemon water are great pre-meal drinks that support digestion, blood sugar control, and appetite reduction. Protein shakes are your fat loss-friendly meal replacements that keep you full and help preserve lean muscle while you're in a calorie deficit. Herbal teas are your evening companions, helping you relax, digest, and avoid late-night cravings. Each of these drinks serves a unique purpose, and when combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise, they can accelerate fat loss results. It's important to remember that no single drink alone will magically melt away fat. These drinks work best as part of an overall healthy lifestyle that includes balanced nutrition, regular exercise, quality sleep, and stress management. However, by replacing high-calorie, sugary beverages like sodas, juices, and energy drinks with these fat-burning alternatives, you will drastically cut unnecessary calories while boosting your metabolism. Over time, these small daily habits add up and create big results. Losing fat is not about quick fixes but about sustainable changes, and these drinks are easy, affordable, and effective tools to support your journey. So, the next time you reach for something to drink, think about what it's doing for your body. Is it helping you burn fat, fuel your metabolism, and support your goals, or is it slowing you down and adding empty calories? Make the smart choice, stay consistent, and watch how these simple drinks can transform your fat loss journey. If you want to look slimmer, feel stronger, and achieve your fitness goals faster, start incorporating these 7 drinks into your daily routine. Your body will thank you, your energy levels will rise, and your fat loss progress will accelerate.